What's up guys, Henry from BimmerWorld. I'm the senior sales lead here, and today we're going to be talking about our reinforced brake guide bushings. I've gotten a lot of requests over the past couple of months, as these things aren't the most fun things in the world to install. So today we're going to walk you through that process. So as many of you know, the brake guides on stock BMW calipers are a squishy rubber, and we've got a couple options for upgrading these. We've got for race cars the brass guides, but for cars that are still going to see street time, we came out with these reinforced caliper guides to give you some rigidity without having to go the full track car solution. So diving into this a little bit, I've got a caliper here from my buddy Patrick's TI. And the first thing we're gonna do is take out the old guides. I already did this one as a test run just to make sure that I had the process down pat. So I got me a handy screwdriver here. We're just gonna pop this puppy out. Nothing special here, just wiggle in the screwdriver, give it a little flick, comes right out. Don't need that anymore. Now to the fun part. And I personally did these on my car about a week ago on my E46, and they're not very fun, but hopefully I can give you guys some good tips to get these things in there without too many problems. Now that we've got the old guide out, take a little bit of grease. I'm just using some caliper grease because it's what we had available. You can use white lithium, silicone spray, anything of that nature. Just gonna dab a little bit of this on here to give it some lubrication. I'm gonna go over here to the caliper. I found the easiest thing to do is get this thing started a little crooked. So the backside of the nylon seats, if you notice I got my thumb stuck inside the hole. Give it a little bit of pressure. Get it down in there as far as you can. Grab your screwdriver you used earlier. Press on the opposite side of the bushing. Just a little bit to get it started. Work it around. And just for reference, the other side that I did as my test piece plopped right in. And exact same caliper. This side's being a little bit more pesky. As you see, now I got that lip in. So now it's wanting to go most of the way. You can usually get it most of the way with your thumb. I just grabbed an Allen socket. It doesn't really matter the size, just something small enough. You can fit it inside the guide bushing. Get that thing seated. Grab yourself a hammer. Have some fun. Get some taps. Flip it over. We're close. Gonna pop the edge of this seal out with the screwdriver, and we're done. So after you've got your caliper guides in, the kit also comes with pins. Slap a little grease on the pins because you want that lubrication. And there you go. Now you're ready for install again. All right guys, if you've got any other questions on these, we're happy to answer. Give us a call, shoot us an email, hop in live chat. We're always happy to help. You can always find us, just let us know.
You ready to go? Should be an awesome race weekend. We are ready to kill it this year. It's going to be a wild ride.